Ant bait products work by exploiting worker ants as food carriers, so a toxic food source gets delivered back to the nest and reaches the queen and brood. Effective targeted ant baiting starts by selecting the right bait formulation for the species, because sugar-based baits attract carbohydrate foragers, while protein or grease-based baits attract protein foragers, and matching bait to foraging preferences increases uptake dramatically. Place bait stations or small bait drops a few inches away from visible ant trails and the nest entrance to avoid alarming workers and to maximize recruitment. Avoid scattering bait broadly because that wastes product and slows colony uptake. Use small amounts so workers can carry pieces quickly back to the nest rather than eating on site, and refresh bait every 2 to 3 days or when it is consumed to maintain a steady flow of toxic food into the colony. For borax-based homemade baits, mix borax with a sweet carrier like sugar or honey at a 1:3 ratio by weight, meaning 1 part borax to 3 parts sugar to keep toxicity slow-acting and transferable. For commercial baits, follow label directions for placement and safety and prefer slow-acting active ingredients designed for transfer through trophallaxis, which ensures the queen will be exposed. Monitor activity and keep children and pets away from bait placements until consumed or removed, and remember that environmental factors like rain and temperature can reduce bait attractiveness, so place under small cover when needed. Common mistakes include using fast-acting contact insecticides instead of slow-acting baits, which kills only foragers and leaves the queen untouched, so switch to transfer baits that workers can carry back to the nest. Another frequent issue is placing bait directly inside active foraging paths, where ants will feed on it in place rather than carry it to the nest, which reduces colony impact, so place small amounts just off the trail a few inches from entry. Points. A third problem is using the wrong bait type for the species, which results in low uptake and ineffective control, so observe whether ants prefer sweets or proteins for an evening or two and choose a matching bait. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we share real project experiences and tips. We help contractors find work and help homeowners compare approaches and ask practical questions about targeted ant baiting and other pest control strategies.